So I am in the Detroit Shoreline neighborhood, specifically EcoVillage area. This is zone recreation over here. Soccer fields, ball fields, and then this path right here connects into the Red Line Greenway. I am actually standing in front of the RTA Red Line West 65th Lorain EcoVillage station. Some new housing has been built here. The station is straight ahead of us. And it's very interesting what they've done here. They removed a bridge, auto bridge on Madison, and ended up really kind of creating a pocket little neighborhood over here that we'll be seeing soon. But this is a newer station for RTA. Some public art. And this path heads across the tracks over to Madison Avenue. As I said, they've created kind of this pocket neighborhood. But down there you can see the tracks and the actual station. Train pulling in right now. And not only they create this pocket neighborhood over here, but then RTA kind of naturalized the area, put in some tables and a little park area here. So it's got kind of its winter look going on right now because it is January and it's very cold. So what they did is when they took out the auto bridge, they put in a pedestrian bridge that connects the rest of Madison. So that's West 65th Street there in Madison. And again, you can see public art, by dialing up the concrete and more gardens. So they've done a really nice job and created this nice little pocket neighborhood here.